What if Earth converted into an air conditioner? Firstly, if Earth converted into an air conditioner, then Earth's neighbors, Venus and Mars, may completely freeze up. Secondly, if Earth converted into an air conditioner, all the planets in the solar system may start wearing jackets. Lastly, if Earth converted into an air conditioner, Sun may present the Earth a huge electricity bill.